Hello dear students, I am Vikram Kharade and in this video I welcome you all, and I know your exams are coming nearer. Yes, 15th of February you have exams, and in this video I am going to help you. I am going to guide you the very important section in your question paper, that is grammar and writing skill, which is for 10 marks. Yes, so let's get started without wasting time and stay tuned. Kharade sir. Dear students, you have three sections you have in the question paper, and I am talking about the particular section, and the section is grammar and writing skill or creative skills. And in the creative skills, today I am going to discuss the very important two topics which are for 5 marks and total 10 marks. The first thing is letter writing and the second one thing is analytical paragraph. And in this video, I will be discussing analytical paragraph. Dear students, analytical paragraph is the part of creative writing which is compulsory for your examination for 5 marks. It carries 5 marks. Analytical paragraph is not that much difficult that, oh, I can't do it, I can't write, I can't do it, I can't write. Forget about it and get your pen and notebook and make these points which are very important to write analytical paragraph in the easy way. Let's get started. Dear students, analytical paragraph is for 5 marks, and what to write. Analytical paragraph is nothing but there will be graph, there will be map, there will be pie chart, there will be clues, there will be table. So the data or information of anything, the data or information will be provided through the bar graphs or pie chart or table or map. So these are the things you have to observe in the question paper. You have to study the given data through pie chart or graphs or map or table or clues. So first thing you have to do is that the data is given of what? Yes, sometimes it might be pollution, sometimes it might be traffic, sometimes it might be accidents, sometimes it might be trees, nature, science, technology, using of mobile. So everything, the data will be provided of anything that we can't predict, but how to write paragraph we are going to learn here. Dear students, just you have to glance the given data and then you have to study it, that the data is about what, and then I am going to tell you the format of analytical paragraph. Dear students, what is the format of analytical paragraph? 3 things you have to follow compulsory while writing analytical paragraph. The first thing is that introduction. Introduction should be there, and in the introduction, dear students, you have to write a short paragraph telling or describing the data is of what and what is given exactly in the data in the pie chart or table or graph. That simple and in easy language you can write a short paragraph, that is called an introduction. Then the second is a body. In the body, this is the second paragraph. In that you have to write in detail the data is given of what and the figures and the quantities and everything you have to cover. So the main paragraph is the second paragraph, and the third paragraph is conclusion. Overall information given in the data you have to mention in the conclusion, that is called third paragraph. Dear students, while writing analytical paragraph you have to make 3 paragraphs. One is introduction, second is body, main body or body, and the third one is conclusion. After writing these 3 paragraphs or following the format of analytical paragraph, dear students, now how to write analytical paragraph, that is the big question in every student's mind. I will help you. Okay, dear students, there are some tips to write analytical paragraph. The first tip is that the analytical paragraph should contain 100 to 120 words. So focus on this, because analytical paragraph should contain 100 to 120 words. This is the first thing. And if possible, dear students, you can give suitable, appropriate title to your analytical paragraph. Title must be there. So give title first and then you can start the first paragraph and the second and third paragraph. Dear students, how to write it? I will help you. So see here, 100 to 120 words we have, okay, that you understood, but how to write? The first thing that your analytical paragraph must contain the provided data. Each and every point should be added and each and every point should be covered in that paragraph which is given in the graph or table or pie chart or clues or whatever information data. So every point focus and try to mention that or try to cover that point in your paragraph. This is very, very important. Then the thing is that the tense and the language. Dear students, the language should be very easy, simple and easy language should be used, and the first thing is that tense of the analytical paragraph. Dear students, my suggestion is that the analytical paragraph you are writing, that is called about data. So my suggestion is that you can write in a simple present tense or present tense. And the very important rule of analytical paragraph is that the tense should be same for all the sentences. So if you use a present tense, then go for present tense only. My suggestion, don't go for past tense, because story should be written in past tense, not analytical paragraph. So in analytical paragraph, present tense you can use, and then what I told you, all points which are given in the data should be covered, should be added, should be mentioned, and the very important thing that the quantities and the figures which are available in the data given, provided data, that all figures and quantities or numbers should be mentioned in the paragraph as it is. The very important rule of writing paragraph is that personal additional information should not be added, should not be written. Some students, what they do, they add their personal knowledge, their personal information, what they know about that, and that the paragraph will become irrelevant. So irrelevant paragraph, irrelevant writing is actually banned. It is not up to the mark if you write irrelevant information about the paragraph or personal information, personal knowledge for that data which is provided. That is completely wrong, dear students. So do not write any irrelevant things, irrelevant information which is not there in the data. So following and studying that data only, that information should be added in the analytical paragraph. That is a very, very important thing. Then the language. My suggestion is there, students, two things are there, that use of passive voice must be there. When you use passive voice, your language will be formal, very formal language. So that's why my suggestion is that maximum use of passive voice should be there in paragraph, and maximum complex sentence. Dear students, complex sentence is the key of best analytical paragraph. So complex sentence you can use, and you can use the words like while, meanwhile, or therefore, henceforth, hence. Okay, such words should be used. So these type of words should be used in analytical paragraph. After reading that analytical paragraph, you will get the marks, because your language will be most perfect, and even it will be authentic formal language. Language should be formal, and for that, what I told you, that two things you have to follow: use of passive voice and use of complex sentence. Sometimes you can use simple sentences also, but use of passive voice and complex sentence will help you. And maximum you practice well, you can get the data and try to write data and try to write analytical paragraph at home before your examination. You have still 2 months, and in that 2 months you can write the analytical paragraph. Maximum analytical paragraphs you can write, and examples if you solve, maximum examples if you solve, then you will get clear cut idea that how to write analytical paragraph. Practice of analytical paragraph writing practice will help you, dear students. Even my suggestion, if you want to score 10 out of 10 for creative writing, letter writing, letter to editor, or letter to any other, like a formal letter we have only, maximum practice should be there of letter writing and analytical paragraph. If you are reading only, some of the publications are there, they have analytical paragraph, they have formal letter. Don't read those. Actually, you should sit and try to write it. Then only you will have the proper knowledge of writing analytical paragraph. Practice makes man perfect. After saying this, I am going to stop this video. We will meet you again in the next video, and in that video also I will be discussing some important topics of grammar and writing skills. Till that, stay tuned. Karade sir. All the best. Keep studying. Thank you.